Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sardines in tomato sauce. The ingredients that you need are a can of sardines in water, half of an onion, 1 can of tomato sauce, some fish sauce, seasoned salt. I'm using Lawry's, but you can use Johnny's. There's black pepper, sugar, and mushroom seasoning. Go ahead and peel your onion and thinly slice it. In a bowl, you're going to combine your tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of the seasoned salt, half a tablespoon of the black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning. If you don't have mushroom seasoning, you don't have to use it. On medium heat, add oil to a pan and then add in your sliced onions. Go ahead and saute that for about 1 minute. And then open your can of sardines, be gentle with it, and place it inside the pan. Cook the sardines on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to pour in your tomato mixture. You can season with a little bit more black pepper, salt, sugar, and mushroom seasoning. Cook for about 5 more minutes on medium-low heat. And then transfer to a plate. You can eat it with a side of white rice or bread. And that's it. Enjoy!